Every night before you sleep, you tell yourself, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll change everything. Tomorrow I'll hit the gym. Tomorrow I'll start the business. Tomorrow I'll get serious. And then morning comes. You grab your phone, you scroll, and the same day starts all over again. You're not lazy, you're not a bad person, but something is holding you back. And today, I want to talk about exactly that. No fake motivation, no generic advice, just real talk. Ambitious but lazy. Sounds like a contradiction, right? Someone who has big dreams but can't get out of bed, who makes plans but never executes them, who knows exactly what they should be doing but just doesn't. This isn't weakness. This is a psychological pattern, and it has a name: action paralysis. When your goal is so big, so overwhelming, that your brain doesn't even know where to start. You look at where you are and where you want to be, and that distance feels so massive that your brain just says, forget it. And there's something else nobody talks about. Your brain doesn't understand the future as something real. The Netflix episode right now, that's real. The comfort of your couch right now, that's real. But success 5 years from now, that's abstract. You can't feel it. So your brain naturally chooses present comfort over future reward. This isn't your fault. This is biology. But once you understand the biology, you can change it. And I know this because I've lived it myself. I sat on one idea for 8 months. I made notes. I made plans. I built spreadsheets. Everything looked perfect, except nothing was actually happening. Because planning felt safe. You can't fail in planning. In planning, everything is still possible. Execution is scary. Execution brings reality. Execution shows you that maybe you're not as capable as you thought you were. And that fear, that's what makes ambitious people lazy. You're not lazy, you're scared. And honestly, that's completely normal. The problem isn't the fear. The problem is when we let that fear dress itself up as not being ready yet. That's the trap. Now let's get into real solutions. This is not just do it advice. The first one, make your goal insultingly small. Not I'm going to get fit, just today I will put on my shoes. It sounds ridiculous, but it works. Your brain needs a small win. A small win releases dopamine. Dopamine creates motivation. Motivation creates action. A big goal paralyzes you. A small step moves you. Second, write it down. And I mean actually write it. What lives only in your head is a dream. What's on paper is a plan. Tonight, take a piece of paper. Write one thing you want in the next 3 months. Just one. And below it, write your first small step for tomorrow. Writing sends a signal to your brain. It says, this is real. This is happening. Third, find a real person to be accountable to. Not an app, not a streak. A person. Someone you report to every day. Someone who will actually call you out if you didn't show up. Shame is a powerful motivator. Use it. And fourth, do this exercise right now. Close your eyes for just a moment. Imagine 5 years from now. You're in the same place, same room, same routine. Nothing has changed. How does that feel? That discomfort, that fear, that's your real fuel. Not a quote, not a speech. That imagined regret will move you more than anything else. Now here's something that might be hard to hear. Some people are ambitious because ambition feels safe. Dreaming is free. Planning is free. Saying one day I'll do this, that's free. Executing is risky because executing means you might actually fail. So if you keep dreaming, keep planning, and never actually move, then your ambition isn't pushing you forward. It's protecting you from having to try. That's hard to hear, I know. But the fact that you're still watching this tells me you already knew it somewhere deep down. I'm not going to tell you that you're special, or that everything is possible, or to just believe in yourself. I'll say this instead, today. One thing, something small. Write down one thing you will do tomorrow morning. Just one. And tomorrow, do it. That's it. That's where it starts. If this hit close to home, Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you're new here, this is what the ambition paradox is about. Real conversations, real psychology. Hit subscribe if that's what you're looking for.